Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use column chart in Excel. So let's start. This is our dataset on which we will apply our column chart. For example, so this is different products revenue is given uh, in different months: January, February, March. I'm selecting products, all the products in January. I'm not selecting total here. Okay, so all the products and their respective revenues in January month. So I'm selecting the whole data. If you want to use any chart, then you have to select the data first. Okay, then you have to go insert. Then here you will see different charts. Okay, if you want to see all the charts that is given in Excel, then you have to go here, recommended charts. Here there are two sections. Okay, recommended charts and all charts. So based on your data, Excel is recommending us few charts that it thinks is appropriate. So we can select any chart and use it, or we can go to all charts. Here all the charts are given. Okay, you can see column charts. Here different kinds of column charts are available. If you click on any chart, then you will see their preview in this place. Okay, and if you move your mouse like this, you can see it in larger form. Okay, and if you select any chart, then go and just click OK, and it will be applied. Okay, so here we can see different charts. Here the best way to learn about charts is to select any chart and apply. For example, if we select this chart, okay, I'm selecting this chart. It is selected here, and I'm clicking OK. This chart is uh, included in this Excel. If I think this is not proper for our work, then we can go one step back, or we can delete this. Okay, and start the process from scratch. That is, after selecting the data, go to insert and recommended charts, all charts. Here you can select any category, and within any particular category you will see all the subcategories, different kinds of charts. Okay, uh, and here what what is given, these charts are already included in in this place. Okay, but here some are given which is used more frequently, so for our own convenience it is given. Okay, okay, so let's select a bar chart. So this is our chart. Now we will modify this chart for better understanding. How we can do that? Here we can see some options are given. This will not be shown if you don't select this chart. When you select this chart by clicking on that chart, then you will see these options. So from plus icon you will see different options, and as I said earlier, if you click and unclick anything, you will see what actually that particular option works. Okay, if I am this is excess. Okay, I am unselecting it. You can see all the information in x-axis and y-axis are gone. So if I select this, it is back again. And I will not discuss this. Maybe I will discuss this later. I'm going very simply. Here we can see access titles. That is this one. Okay, I'm sorry. Access titles means this one. Okay, the title of the access. If you click, it will be here, and if you unclick, it will be gone. So for better understanding, we should select it. Okay, then we can see these two axes are enabled. Now we will change this as our need. I am renaming it this is the revenue. So revenue, and I'm selecting this whole text, going home, resizing it a little bit larger, bold. Now it looks better. I'll do the same thing here. Once again, I'm selecting the whole thing, bold, larger. uh, okay, here, products, product name. Okay, or we can say products. Okay, now I'm going this here, chart title. Okay, if I unselect it, you can see January is gone. If I select it, we can see the chart title is January. We want to rename this chart title, that is revenue of products, or revenue in January. Okay, we can move it as we want. We can make it larger, bold, italic, everything as we need. I'm selecting the second, data labels. Here, every column is saying a particular number. Okay, so if I just keep it like this, it will be quite difficult for us to read which column is showing which number. Okay, so we can make it easier by selecting this. At this, we can see different data point is included in these columns. If we want to modify the numbers, I mean, how we can do this, we can select, if we select once, everything will be selected, every data point. Then we can make it bold, a little bit larger. We can give a background. Okay, we can change the font color. Okay, if we want to change the uh, column, then we have to select this, and here you can see all the options are gone. We can only change the colors of the columns. Okay, so I am not doing this. It is, I think it is better. Now if you in this chart, if you want any point you want to show specially, for example, if you want to highlight shower gels column and corresponding data point, then how we can do it? If first of all, let's do it for the column. I'm selecting uh, clicking just once in this column, you will see every column is selected. So how I can select only this, not all this? Okay, so if you select only once, everything will be selected, but if you select one more time, then everything will be gone and only this one will be selected. Okay, so I have selected this. I'm giving it a different color. Now I am selecting this. When I select this point, every data will be selected. So how we can select only this one? Yeah, I think you've got it. uh, Select it once again. Now only this one is selected, and uh, others are deselected. Now you can give another color. Okay, so I'm just, okay, so this is how we can modify our chart. Now data table, if I select this data table, you can see all the relevant data are given. So I think this is not looking good here. I am deselecting it. Error bars, it is actually a statistical stuff, so if you need it, you can use it. Okay, grid lines, grid lines is, these horizontal lines are called grid lines. Okay, so if you want, you can select this. If you don't want this, every grid line will be gone and it will give us a white background. I think grid line is fine here. uh, if I want to include the legend, then here all the products legend key are available. Okay, We I think we have already included here. We don't need this legend for now. If I give, if I select trend line, it will give us a trend line. Yeah, the trend line is showing that a uptrend in the revenue by different products. Okay, so actually for a particular product, if I mention the revenues in different time, this trend line is more appropriate in that scenario. But here we can see that body lotion is generating the maximum revenue and soap is generating the least revenue. Okay, I'm selecting it. So this is how we can do this modification on this chart. Another way, okay, I think we have some others here, other options here. If I select this, we can see style and color here. If I select, if you if you click on any of these uh, options, then it will be applied. But if you want to see them, how it this chart will look like on your chart, then you can put your mouse pointer on them. I mean, you can just hover on them and you can see which one uh, is proper for you. So this is how it works. And if you click on color, you can see different colors. Okay, I'm moving mouse pointer to see how it looks, every option looks. Okay, so for now I am not selecting any one of them. I'm going to this option. Here you can see values and names. Okay, I am not I will not discuss names here, just keep just as it is. Values, here you can select here all the categories are selected because we have selected all the data. And so this chart is composed based on all this data. But after creating this data, if you think that you don't need shampoo, you need every data other than shampoo, then you can deselect shampoo. Okay, and you can apply, so shampoo will be gone. Okay, so this way you can again modify your chart. I am including shampoo again. I want this. So this is how this option works. uh, there is another option through which you can do some more modification. uh, on your chart, just double click, you will see a down, a pop-up will appear. Here you can see different options, this one, this one, this one. Every uh, feature is offering different uh, products feature. Now if I click this, you can see fill, border. Okay, if I you will get this maybe this way. If I expand this, then after selecting this one, I can solid, if I select solid fill and choose color from here, you'll see this is how you can change your color. Okay, well, I don't need this, I'm going one step back. Okay, and if you look, this all these columns are selected. Okay, I can change the transparency, it will be more transparent. Okay, the more you give the value, the more it will be transparent. And if the transparency is 0, that means there will be no transparency and it will give you a solid color. Okay, so this is you can click and apply every option and see how the option actually works. And if you don't like it, then go, you can click this button and go step before and go back to your previous steps. Now I am selecting this border, means you can modify the borders. Okay, here you can give a solid line, you can give red color, I'm giving red color. And here I am there are different types of borders. I am selecting this one, and I'm selecting this one. And white, you can adjust the width. Okay, I am giving more value. You can see different uh, width uh, of borders. Okay, so I don't need this now. So this is all about of borders. If I select this one, you can see different features here. If I select presets, you have to do it after selection. Okay, after selecting this, you can um, after selecting all these columns, you can, if you click this, you can see something has changed here. Okay, if you use this, okay, so this is how it works. And you can also change the color. You can control the transparency. You can use different presets. If I use this, okay, look how it changed. And there are so many options here. You can select and you can apply. If you like, you can keep it. If you don't like, you can just use undo. Go steps back and you can go to back your the place you want to go. Okay, so this is all about of chart modification. And what now what we will do, I if you want to move in chart, you can just click on it. It will be selected, and when this icon will appear, this directional icon, then you can drag and you can place any chart anywhere you like. Okay, and you can also copy it. You can copy this chart and you can add it anywhere. I'm copying it and I can paste it anywhere. Okay, so for now I don't need it. I'm deleting this. Now if you want to delete your chart, just select and press delete uh, button from your keyboard. It will be deleted. uh, this tutorial, up to this tutorial, I have mentioned used products, different products of only January. Now I will use all the products of all 3 months. Okay, so I have selected all the data. I have not taken the total. I have selected this. I'm going to insert, and I am selecting. This time I want to select another chart, bar chart. I can use this one. Okay, you can see I'm resizing it this way. I'm dragging and resize. Okay, so here uh, these are all the same steps I discussed before. Okay, so you can, I think we don't need to repeat it again. Or if we double click, this will appear. They will give you the same feature. Now if you want to change, if you select this, all the uh, here we can see March data is showing ash. So if we select ash, it means March data. If we select orange, it means February data. If we select blue, it says January data. Okay, so we can do the modification just as I showed you before. So this is how you can select single range or multiple range, and you can insert any chart. Okay, you can from this, after selecting, you can change any chart types, chart styles. Okay, um, you can change the colors. You can move your mouse pointer and you can see which one fits. You can there you can also change your chart type. You can move your chart also. Format, you can uh, change your shape fill. For example, this is the shape. I can maybe if I select this, This is how it will be changed. You can change the shape outline, that is the border. You can change the effects. Okay. And there are different shape styles here. Just move your pointer in all these options and you will see the difference, and you can keep or leave it. Here, if you go to, after selecting, if you go to page layout, you can also see different colors are given. And here, by moving your mouse pointer, you see different change on your chart. So this is how. And you can use, you can change, if you want to change the fonts, you can change it from here. Okay, you can change the effects also. So just take a data and i- insert different charts, try different options, and look how everything is changing. This is the best way to learn the charts when you are doing on your own. So that's all for today, and thank you very much.